So sorry, it's been a long time since I posted on here. I've just been very busy with work. But anyway, I'm here now. The most important thing that I wanted to share with you was something which I ordered a couple of weeks ago now and has been sitting on my desk in the envelope for all this time. Last week or so, I did a post on the community, and I think I did a short as well, just asking for all of you to guess which BlackBerry I've ordered. Some of you guessed, but nobody guessed correctly because the prize was if anyone guessed it correctly, I would have entered you into sort of a raffle. And at the end of me using this device, I would have sent the phone to you for free. But anyway, there'll be plenty of other opportunities to do this. So, what I'm going to show you today is the device that I bought, the BlackBerry that I bought. And I'm going to unpack it for you right now. So it's in the envelope. I have opened it. I did pull it out slightly, but I didn't unwrap it. It's got bubble wrap around it. So I'm going to do that right now. So this is all unedited, all that sort of stuff. I haven't really got time to edit things. So I'm going to take it out right now. And some of you are still guessing what the phone is. Which BlackBerry model is it? Which one? So I'm going to unwrap it now. Very exciting. I'm not very fancy with all the multiple cameras. I've just got this laptop one. I don't know if you can tell which one it is, but let me pull it out. Well, it's quite stuck in here. And I just realized there's no charger or anything in here. So hopefully I've got a charging cable. Well, it should be. It's quite okay. I've unwrapped it. Well, I can't wait to show you. I'll give you another hint. It's a BlackBerry which didn't do very well. Didn't do very well at all. In fact, I'm pretty sure, and I might be wrong. Someone will be able to correct me. I'm sure. When it was launched, they there was a lot of buzz around it, and I went to a shopping center near me, and I'm pretty sure it was this device that they were showcasing at one stage, and I think I eventually got it, and it wasn't very good. And but most people thought it wasn't very good. But anyway, I'm rambling. I'm gonna bring it up now. Oh, hopefully you can see that. Ooh, do you know which device it is? It's the BlackBerry Storm. Does anyone remember this? I wish this was on live, but yeah, I don't know if anyone remembers this device. It was an interesting device where I'm sure there's a proper technical term for it. I'm not a fay with all the terms, but is it a haptic thing? But anyway, with the screen, you could sort of, oops, there we go. Probably do that. You could press down on it and it would react. Like, and I remember, I'm pretty sure I remember, it wasn't very responsive, and it didn't work very well when I had it. Was when I was using it. I can't remember. Um, but I mean, apart from that, it wasn't an ugly device. It wasn't a horrible device at all. Um, it's a very nice phone in terms of the design, but it just didn't do well. So yeah, I got it because it's like for me, this is one of the worst Blackberries I've ever used. And I thought it'd be quite interesting because nobody seems to talk about it. So yeah, I got this off eBay and I'm going to load up the listing now because I'm pretty sure they said it was brand new. But this doesn't look brand new. You can see like the screen has dropped in one area and looks scratched and everything, but the plastics on it seem new. So I'm just going to load up the eBay listing right now. And then I'm going to see, right, here we go. So I got it from eBay, obviously. And I've got the details here. I don't know if you can see this. So there you go. It's a BlackBerry Storm 9500, 1 GB, unlocked, 3.25 inches, 3 megapixels, black 3G. Price £19.98. I paid for this. Um, it says condition open, opened, never used. So this is brand new. Maybe it didn't sell that well at all. Maybe there's loads of new stock flying around of eBay, but 20 quid, that's pretty good. I can't remember how much this phone would have cost when it was released, but yeah, let's look at some of the features. So, free 30 days. Oh, sorry, obviously that's the return policy. Um, doesn't give me any specs on here actually. So, what I'll do is I'll go on the old GPT and let's see what it says. BlackBerry Storm 9500. Let's see. What are the specs for the BlackBerry 9500? Okay, so it's loading now. Right, so key specs announced October 8th, 2008, released November 2008. I can't believe it was that long ago. Was it that long ago? 2008? Oh, I feel old already. Um, Weight 155 grams. Display 3.25 to 3.2 inch TFT LCD capacitive. That's the word, capacitive touchscreen. Uh, Resolution 480 by 360 pixels, 185 ppi. Processor slash chipset Qualcomm MSM 7600, 5 to 8 megahertz single core CPU. Camera 3.1 to 3.2 megapixels. LED flash, autofocus, video recording, lower resolution, no front facing camera. Battery talk time around 5.5 hours, standby 360 hours, which is about 15 days. Operating system, BlackBerry OS 4.7, some sources list OS 5. Network connectivity, so 2G, 3G, yeah. Other features, Sure Press clickable touchscreen. The screen depresses like a button for feedback. Sensors, blah, blah, blah. It's got 3.5mm headphone jack as well. So this is it. I'm going to try and switch it on. I don't think it will switch on though because it's, yeah, battery's probably. Hopefully this thing actually has a battery in it. Let's see. It should. I have a horrible feeling it doesn't. How do you get this? Oh, it's got this. So anyway, yeah, you've got these buttons on the side. You've got the USB on the side, USB port, headphone jack here. Yeah, probably some volume buttons and some lock button maybe. There you go. I'm trying to get this cover open. Let's see. Bloody hell. Oh, I think I've got it. The thing is, the phone feels sticky for some reason. Oh, it is the battery. Oh, it's been a long time since I've seen a BlackBerry battery. Wow. Memories, memories, that's for sure. Oh, you can just take the battery out. Yeah, so that's it. Cool. So yeah, it's not powering up. So the next video you see from me will be one, charging it, and number two, going through it. I'll probably have to use my camera somehow to record the screen. But yeah, that's the BlackBerry Storm. I'm a bit curious about, I don't know if you can see here, the screen has dropped in the corner here. So you see the line at the top. There's a bit of a gap. So yeah, that's not good. But look, it's an old phone. I don't really care too much about what it looks like, but let's see if it works. So yeah, next video will be me whizzing through this thing. But for now, I need to charge it, which should be easy enough to find a charger for. Cool. All right. Thanks all. And yeah, if you could like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. And let me know if there's anything that you want me to discuss in the next video. If there's anything that you want to see. As I said, it's really cheap to get, £20. off eBay. And yeah, I'll give it a spin, and then I'll probably just give it away afterwards. To be honest, I don't think anyone's really gonna buy it. But yeah, cool. Thanks all. Bye.